Welcome to the IT Source YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to install the FFmpeg program and provide a few examples. Open the browser. Type FFmpeg in the search bar, and go to the official website. Click Download, select the Windows operating system, and follow the link Windows Builds by BTBN. Look for the Win64 version and download the archive. Now you need to extract the archive and copy the folder. Paste it into the C drive and, for convenience, rename it. Go to the Program folder, then to the Bin folder, and copy the path. Open the properties of this PC. Next, click Advanced System Settings and then Environment Variables. Select Path and click Edit. Then click New and paste the path to the program. Open the command prompt. Type the command FFmpeg and check if the program is installed. As you can see, the command executed, which means the program is installed correctly. Next, I will provide 6 examples of using the program. I have prepared 2 files that we will work with. Copy the path to these files and use the cd command in the command prompt to navigate to this folder. Example 1. Converting an MKV video to MP4 format. The commands I used in the video can be found in the description below the video. First, enter the video file name with the original format, followed by the format you want to convert it to. As we can see, a video named Output3 has been created in MP4 format. Example 2. Extracting an audio file from a video. Enter the name of the video file, followed by the desired file name in the MP3 format. As a result, we obtained an MP3 file. In the third example, we convert an MP3 file to WAV format. As a result, we obtained an audio file in WAV format. In the fourth example, we will change the resolution of a video. In the fourth example, we will change the resolution of a video. In the fifth example, we will cut a specific segment from a video. In the sixth example, we will merge several videos into a single video file. Open Notepad. We already have two prepared video files that we will merge. List them in Notepad as shown in the video. Save the document in .txt format in the folder with the videos. As a result, we obtained a merged video without any loss of quality. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like.